Galing ng Pilipinas. Meron po tayong salad. Salad na lang po ang aking gulay kasi walang talong-talong. Ayan na. Patong natin dito para mataas-taas. Okay. Let's go. Tara, kain po tayo. Ang laki ng kamatis oh. Grabe. Sarap oh. Kamay na lang natin kasi mas masarap yung kinakamay yung kamatis kaysa hihiwain, di ba? Sarap oh. Ayan po yung rice fried rice ko na. Wow, ang laki ng ating. Ang laki-laki ng ating kamatis talaga. Okay. Let's go. Tara, kain po tayo. Hap. Jay, kwet juga na say. Tara, kain po tayo. Say anak, say tara, kain po tayo. Ang laki ng kamatis. May nanggaling ng Pilipinas kaya meron akong chicharon. Ang gulay natin salad.
What's that? Watermelon?
No?
Yeah.
It's tomato. What you eating? Same chicharon.
That's not wrong.
It's pork belly. It's like chicharon too. The chicharon is skin. That's pork belly.
Mary. This one not Mary. That's fish.
That's not fish.
What's that?
It's it's pork belly. Not.
Hey, you part baby, just stop them.
Lagyan natin itlog. Harap, may alamang po tayo. Alamang din po galing ng Pilipinas kaya ang sarap. Paminsan-minsan lang makakain ng ganito. Ang hang ng bagong. Spicy kasi siya. Spicy bagoong. Sarap. Sarap po. Sarap. Kaya sarap. Anak sa'yo sarap.
Stand up. Stand up.
Sarap.
Stand up.
Sarap.
Stand up.
What you eating?
Eating pork belly.
Is masarap?
Stand up.
You want water? Mama got water. You want water?
No.
Yan po kami sa likod ng aking kalamansi. Ay, hindi pala. Sa likod namin yung kalamansi.
What's that? That's squishy. I put belly on plants. Put belly on plants.
Sarap ng kamatis.
I put some belly on plants. See?
No, don't put leaves. Sarap. Wala kayong marinig sa akin hanggang huli kundi masarap. Kasi masarap talaga. Pag galing ng Pinas special. Love you. And one more here.
I would.
That's it. Yummy, yummy. Ang sarap na kamatis dito, maano. What happened?
What's yours gonna work? I pull down.
No, you don't.
Yes.
Ang kamatis na matamis.
Put the ketchup. Put the ketchup. Put the ketchup. Put the ketchup.
What's the ketchup? Oh, it's dirty.
That black?
Mm-hmm.
No, not blue.
Naparami natin bagoong ko. Sayang, dapat inuunti-unti kasi. Okay lang basta mauubos, wag lang hindi mauubos kasi sayang. Galing ng Pilipinas, kailangan tinitreasure. Pero meron din naman dito mabibili kasi siyempre mahal.